It's really important to keep your hand taping tools clean. First, submerge the tools in a bucket of water and scrub them with the provided brush. When wet, the mud should easily dislodge from all of the equipment. To wash the mud pumps, first remove the inlet and rinse it thoroughly. Then, detach the cylinder and rinse it inside and out. If there is any dry mud, simply remove the screw, take the screen out, and continue rinsing. Finally, when rinsing the pump, make sure you get the inside and the bottom of it. In order to wash the 10 and 12-inch boxes, remove the rubber seal and open up the box to rinse it inside and out.